Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of How to Fix Online. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to fix Bitmoji on Snapchat. Watch the video till the end to learn how, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Snapchat Bitmoji allow its user to create an animated version of themselves and do many things with it. However, sometimes you might not be able to use Bitmoji on Snapchat or your Bitmoji might suddenly stop working. In that case, here are some methods you could try out in order to fix the issue. The first thing to do is to check Snapchat servers. If you want to check your Snapchat servers if it is down or not, you can simply go open up a web browser from your mobile device and search for downdetector.com and search. From the options displayed, search for Snapchat and tap it on once you find it. From this page, you can check if there is any problem with the Snapchat server at the moment. If there is any problem going on with the Snapchat servers, there's nothing you can do at the moment but wait it out. So simply wait for an hour or two and go back to Snapchat app and see if that fixes the issue. Another thing you can do is to reconnect your Bitmoji account. Simply tap open Snapchat app and make sure that you're logged in. From the main homepage of Snapchat, tap on your profile icon in the top left-hand corner and tap on the gear button at the top right. Select Bitmoji option from the settings menu and tap on Unlink My Bitmoji. Once you unlink your Bitmoji, reconnect your Bitmoji account one more time and see if that fixes the issue. If that still does not work, you can check for available updates for Snapchat app. Simply go tap open your Play Store and search for Snapchat in the search box. If you see an update button right next to the Snapchat app, right where my open button is available right now, then simply tap on that update button to download the latest version of Snapchat app on your mobile device. If nothing else works out, you can simply delete your Snapchat application from your mobile device and try reinstalling it again. Log into your Snapchat account and see if that fixes the issue. Those were some of the most easiest way how you could fix Snapchat Bitmoji on your Android device. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.